In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD screen on your Gateway LT27. The LCD screen on this laptop is broken, as you can see, and we're just going to go ahead and replace it. So we're just going to get started by just make sure the AC adapter is unplugged, and we're going to turn off the laptop. And after we turned off the laptop, pretty much we're just gonna go ahead and remove the battery. Okay, so now that we just removed the battery and we unplugged the AC adapter, we're gonna go ahead and take out these little plastic covers. We have a couple. So just grab your screwdriver. That's what they look like. And we have a couple of screws there that we need to remove. So we're going to remove those as well. Okay, so now that we have two screws out, we need to remove the LCD screen bezel. So you can use your nails, or you can just use, I like to use a card to go around. I'll show you. So just go ahead and grab it and then make a little opening, and then just grab a card and just go along. Okay, so now that we just removed that plastic cover, we need to remove 4 screws. But before we actually do that, we need to unplug the connector that goes to the camera right here. So you're just gonna go ahead and pull it this way. You can use a screwdriver to help you, because it's kind of difficult to do it. So we just get it out. Just push it this way. And after you do that, then we're gonna go ahead and take out the 4 screws. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have another one over here and another one at the top over here also. We don't need to remove those for now. Now the reason why we need to remove the camera connector is because there's a piece of tape on the back, And so if you don't unplug it before you pull the LCD this way, you could damage the plug. So there's this piece of tape. Just gonna glue to the LCD screen. So we just need to take out the tape, and there's another piece over here too. Okay, and now we just need to remove the LCD connector, basically the main video connector, which has a piece of tape also. Okay, and that came off. So that's our old LCD panel that we're gonna take out, and we're just gonna go ahead and put in the new one. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just put back the video connector to the back of the LCD. Okay, just make sure that it's all the way in. And we're going to put back the tape onto the camera connector. So now let's go ahead and plug the put the a couple of screws just to hold it, so that we can go ahead and plug that camera connector. Okay, so now we can put the camera connector back on it. There we go. Okay, and now the couple screws that we have left. Okay, so just to make sure that the screen is not working, we're gonna go ahead and put the battery back on before we put the plastic vessel back on. Okay, so now that the screen is working properly, we can just go ahead and put the plastic vessel back on. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Well, we just need to put the screws back on, the couple of screws that we have left. And the little plastic covers on top of the screws. And there it goes, and then we're all set. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Next time. Bye.